Novak Djokovic paid quite a compliment to Carlos Alcaraz. Before they'll face each other in the Wimbledon final on Sunday, Djokovic was asked to size up Alcaraz and he compared the kid to himself. He's been incredibly successful in adapting to the surfaces and to the demands and challenges of opponents on a given day, Djokovic said. I see this as a great trait, as a great virtue. I see this as one of my biggest strengths throughout my career, that I was able to constantly develop, adapt and adjust my game, depending on the challenges, basically. That's what he's doing very early on in his career. And Alcaraz's assessment of Djokovic? He has no weakness. He's a really complete guy, really complete player. He's amazing. He does nothing wrong on the court, Alcaraz said. Physically he's a beast. Mentally he's a beast. Everything is unbelievable for him. The matchup on centre court at the All England club to close the fortnight is absolutely the one both men expected. As did pretty much everyone else. What more could tennis fans ask for? He's very motivated. He's young. He's hungry, Djokovic observed. I'm hungry, too, so let's have a feast. It is a showdown pitting one of the greatest players ever. Many consider him the greatest in Djokovic, who is 36, against a rising new star in Alcaraz, who is 20. It is the widest age gap between two men's Grand Slam finalists since 1974, and Djokovic would become the oldest male champion at Wimbledon in the Open era.